हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप सब? आई होप यू ऑल आर फिट एंड फाइन, टेकिंग केयर ऑफ योर हेल्थ. वेलकम अगेन in the class of English. Today, this is the second part of adjective. In previous video, we learned that the word which describe noun is known as describing word. जो वर्ड हमें बताते हैं कि कौन सी चीज कैसी, उसे डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड कहते हैं. और डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड को एडजेक्टिव भी कहा जाता है. जैसे these are small puppies. इस सेंटेंस में पपी मीनिंग वर्ड है, यानी कि नाउन है, और स्मॉल एडजेक्टिव है, क्योंकि वो पपी को डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है कि पपी कैसा है. Now look at this sentence also. This apple is sweet. अब यहाँ पर मीनिंग वर्ड क्या है? मैम, यहाँ पर मीनिंग वर्ड एप्पल है. यस, वेरी गुड. तो अब आप ये बताइए कि एप्पल कैसा है? मैम, एप्पल तो स्वीट है. हाँ, सही कहा. तो किड्स, यहाँ पर स्वीट डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड है, क्योंकि ये बता रहा है कि एप्पल कैसा होता है. Today we will move further with the adjectives. Today in this module we will also sing a song which is related to adjective. So let's sing and learn about adjective. I said red, yellow, green and blue. Red, yellow, green and blue. Orange, red, green and blue. Pink, purple, green and blue. Red, yellow, green and blue, orange, pink, purple, brown. La 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 la, la 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 la. These are adjectives. These are adjectives. These are adjectives. I said fat and thin, light and dark, dirty, clean, curly, straight, long, short, soft and hard, hot, cold, soft and hard, fat, thin, light and dark, dirty, clean, curly and straight. La 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 la. These are adjectives. These are adjectives. These are adjectives. These are adjectives. I said big and small. I said big and small, tall and short, slow, fast, happy and sad, heavy, light, old and new, wet, dry, cold and new. Wet, dry, old and new. Big, small, happy, sad, wet, dry, heavy, light. La 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 la, la 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 la. These are adjectives. These are adjectives. These are adjectives. So students, did you enjoy this poem? Yes ma'am, it was so lovely and sweet song. So it's time to check your knowledge through MCQs. Are you ready kids? So let's start. Student, question number 1 is, there are dash pencils. The options are 3, 6. The correct answer is 6. Question number 2. Rohan is a dash boy. Option A, happy. Option B, sad. The correct answer is happy. Next question. The day is so dash. The options are hot and careless. The correct answer is hot. Next question. The apple is dash. The options are salty, The correct answer is sweet. So kids, आज तो हमने क्लास को बहुत एंजॉय किया है. आपको भी पोएम सिंग करना अच्छा लगा होगा और नाउन और एडजेक्टिव भी समझ में आ गया होगा, है ना? Now students, it's time to practice. Here are some questions given from the content. So let's see and try to understand. Solve this question from your grammar book, question number T and E. हमारी आज की वीडियो कंप्लीट हो गई है. Hope you enjoy and get enough knowledge and learn well. So see you again in the next video. Till then, bye bye.